Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're gonna talk about top 5 tips and tricks to enhance your editing skills in CapCut. Before we jump right in, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon. Tip number 1 is text to speech. From the menu, select text and drag and drop this to the timeline. Type in your text here. Alright, so once you have entered the text, go to the top and click on text to speech. From here, you can choose different voices for your text.
Text Shorts is awesome.
Tech Shorts is awesome.
Alright, so these are the normal voiceovers.
Tech Shorts is awesome.
Tech Shorts is awesome.
Alright, so that was text to speech. There's one more feature I wanted to show you guys, which is you can convert this text to songs as well. Alright, so for example, there's written pop lullaby. Just click here.
Tech Shorts is awesome. Tech Shorts is awesome. Tech Shorts is
Alright, so it turned your text into a song. There are other vocalists here you can choose.
Tech Shorts is awesome. Tech Shorts is awesome. Tech Shorts is awesome.
Alright, so that's pretty cool. There's also a kid vocalist. So if you are making some content for kids, you can try this voiceover.
Tech Shorts is awesome. Tech Shorts is awesome. Tech
Alright, that's very neat. Alright, so I really like this text to speech / songs feature. Alright, so let's move on to the next tip. The second tip we're going to talk about is video overlay. In CapCut, you can use multiple layers of videos and then merge it. Let's drag and drop our videos here. Alright, so once you have copied the video, just click and drag it to the timeline. Alright, so that's our first video. We will overlay it with this video. Click and drag it to the timeline and then adjust the size of it. So what we will do now, we will remove the background from this video so that it blends in with this video. Select the video track from the timeline and then click on cutout. From here, just select the auto cutout feature. Give it some time to process. Alright, so our video is processed. You can click and drag the size. Alright, that's so cool. So very handy tool. Go check it out right now. Tip number 3 is the green screen feature. Let's drag and drop our video here. Alright, so I've copied a video on top of this. To go to the green screen feature, just select the video track, click on cutout. And this time, instead of going with auto cutout, we will simply select the chroma key. With this feature, we can select any color from this video and the AI will automatically remove that from the video. So let's say I want this color to be removed. Just click on it and then adjust the strength. And there you go. Our entire background is removed. So the screen doesn't have to be in green. You can use this feature to select any color you want and the AI will automatically remove it. So let's just click on play and watch it. Alright, so that was green screen, a very handy tool. Moving on to the next one. Tip number 4 is to zoom in and zoom out using keyframes. Alright, so for example, I want to start the video here. And by the time it reaches till the end of the video, I want the video to zoom in automatically. In order to do that, first select the video track. Click on basics. And here in scale option, select this diamond icon. So it has added a keyframe here and the scale I've set is 100%. Right, so here I will add another keyframe and change the scale to 150%. Alright, so let's click on play and watch it. Alright, so as you can see, the video is zooming in. So let's just use another example so that you can see it clearly. Alright, so let's add the keyframe here and go to the end of the video, add another keyframe and then zoom in. Alright, so now you can see the effect much clearly. Click on play. Alright, so that's really cool. Similarly, you can do the other way around. Select the track, add the scale, and then go to the end. Alright, so now the video will be zooming out. Alright, so just experiment with these settings and your video will be much more engaging. Alright, so the last tip I'm going to show you today is auto captions. This is a really cool feature where it automatically detects the caption for the entire video. Let's just do that. Alright, so let's say I have this video and I need CapCut to generate the captions automatically. Select the video track, head over to text, and then click on auto captions. Select the language, and then click on create. Alright, so our caption is generated by CapCut. Let's adjust the size of it. Click on play.
Gordon has done, we learned something surprising. When we subtract the
Alright, so here as you can see the text are going out of the screen. You can click and resize the text. Alright, so here are some styles that you can use. Alright, so go through all these styles and select whatever you like the most. For the next feature, we're going to use the templates. Just click on templates and you can use these cool templates for you to choose from. Alright, so I've selected this template and now the AI will automatically animate it. Let's click on play and watch it.
Dr. Peter Attia writes in his compelling book, Outlive. But when we look at the data, as Northwestern professor.
Alright, so as you can see, it has added a little animation. Alright, so that was really cool. So all these tools are completely free and it's integrated in CapCut. Alright, so that's about it for today. These were the top 5 tips and tricks to enhance your editing skills in CapCut. And if you have reached till the end of the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys in the next video.